Tiago de Barra. This place overlooks the water and also Barra station, which is new, which is right there. This is a new train station right that way. And you can see all of that up there as well. So we're gonna try to go inside and see what we can see in here. So so stay tuned for Pousada de Tiago. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So let's see if we can go in. This is a nice place. You got the cannon right there, so that has a lot of historic value. So they're setting it all up, and I just heard recently. So let's see how far we can get in. Beautiful murals by the door. $16.29. This is really nice. This has a lot of history, as you can imagine. 1629. So let's see. So I'm going to ask if I can walk around. Hello. Can I walk around?
Okay, sure.
Thank you. You got a restaurant here?
Restaurant.
Is that a restaurant?
Hotel.
Or no? But like a hotel. So I'm gonna.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
So let me just see. Oh wow. So it looks like you can actually come up here and enjoy the day. Wow. There's even like a bar right here. That's a new station, Barra station, so like in the future people will be coming up through here. Wow. Virgin Mary Mother right there. Oh my Lord. This is amazing. Our Lady of Fatima. Tiago de Barra. Oh, they're talking about watercolors. 1990. This is Barra right there, so Santiago de Barra. It's amazing. Saint Isabella. Wow. Whoa. Let's see if she depicted as baby Jesus, Sacred Heart of Jesus. You got all these little murals here, so that one's off limits, and this one's off limits too. So we can't go either way of those, but we can just take a peek around. So it looks like they'll have some benches up there, and later there might be access up here as well. And I think they did say this is a hotel. Oh, okay, so when I came in they said it's a hotel, so maybe these are guests that are here. We'll just walk over this way as well. So I guess this is probably a hotel now. We're just gonna walk just briefly and then we're gonna go back. And I guess that's gonna go up. So that goes up that way, which I'm sure I can't go into. If I can, let me know. I think I'm just in the public space, but I think that might be not public space. So we're gonna head back down. Amazing. And you can see all those up there too. We just kind of capture this one thing. 220 years old. Thank you. And we got a restaurant there. So I think that's all part of the hotel. So we're gonna head back down. Oh, look at this, 1629. And then this is the entrance. Yeah, if anybody sees this video and they know I could get access to see more of it, I would love to film more of it. It's amazing. $16.29. Okay, so that was our Tiago. I guess now it's officially a hotel again. So yeah, I got more videos, so I'm actually going to do the same street as well. And yeah, pretty cool, pretty interesting. So I guess that's, guests can stay there, and then I guess if you do, get a much better access to the whole place. So let's end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.